Hi, hello. Welcome once again PS Academy Math Point. Today we are going to discuss Quadrilateral Part 3. In Part 2 we have already discussed adjacent sides, adjacent angle. And Part 3 we have discussed opposite sides, opposite angles and diagonal. First, it's opposite sides. What is opposite sides? Two sides of a quadrilateral are opposite sides. Two sides of a quadrilateral are opposite sides if they don't have common endpoint common endpoint, or otherwise it is called common vertex. Two sides of a quadrilateral are opposite sides if they don't have a common endpoint, are opposite sides. That means if we take SP and PQ, but they have a common endpoint is P. But if you take PQ and SR, two sides, they don't have any common endpoint. Then SP and RQ, they don't have also common endpoint. That means in a quadrilateral, two pair of opposite sides is there. Two pair of opposite sides is PQ or QQ, QP and SR. PQ and SR are opposite sides and SP and RQ are the opposite sides. Now it's opposite angles. Two angles of a quadrilateral. Now it's what? Opposite angles. What is opposite angles? Two angles of a quadrilateral are said to be opposite angles. Two angles of a quadrilateral are said to be opposite angles. Two angles of a quadrilateral are said to be opposite angles if they don't have a common arm. That means if they don't have common arm or common sides, common side. As you know, P and Q are called adjacent angles because they have a common side is PQ. But here P and R are called P angle and R angle are called opposite angle. S angle and Q angle are called opposite angles because they don't have any common side. And S opposite, Q, P opposite R. Like this, in a quadrilateral, two pairs of opposite sides are there. In a quadrilateral, two pairs of opposite angles also there. Now it's diagonal. What is diagonal? Diagonal is what? A diagonal of a quadrilateral is a line segment that join two opposite vertices of the quadrilateral. Means first is diagonals. What is diagonals? Means diagonals of a quadrilateral is a line segment. Diagonals of a quadrilateral is a line segment. Quadrilateral is a line segment that join two opposite vertices. That join two opposite vertices of the quadrilateral. Okay. Then diagonals of a quadrilateral is a line segment that join two opposite vertices of the quadrilateral. That means opposite vertex. As you know that P and R are the opposite angles. Then P and R are the opposite vertex. Then S and Q are the opposite angles. Then S and Q are the opposite vertex. So when the two line segments join the opposite vertex of the quadrilateral, they are called the diagonal. So P and R are called the means one diagonal. So PR and SQ in the quadrilateral, two diagonal is there. In part 3 we discuss opposite sides, opposite angles and diagonals. Okay, please like, share and subscribe my channel.